How
Good
are you?
afternoon.
Afternoon to you too.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you tell me a little bit more about your company, please?
We are DME Auto Repairing.
What are the services that you have?
Usually we are doing on American cars and German cars, and we provide engine related works, that is mechanical, electrical, denting, painting, AC, all these types of work we do here.
Fantastic.
Mechanical work, electrical work, AC work, electronic work, related to the trimming of wires, fixing of the wires, fuses, ECM, everything related to it, and especially the AC as well.
If anybody watched this video and come to you, are you going to give him a discount?
Yes, we have a discount for the people who are visiting us with giving us the reference that you saw a video and you're coming.
Okay, fantastic. Where are you located?
We are located behind the Times Square Mall next to the Al Gandhi Service Center, Alqouz.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.